everybody? It's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. If you haven't been having problem with lower back pain, this is the video for you. And today I'm going to show you one exercise that will help you with your lower back pain. And the exercise I will show you is called back extensions. It not just only works for the back, but also works your core too. So let me show you how to do the exercise. First, we should be flat on the ground. So let me get flat. There are two ways to do this exercise. One way I'm going to show you. Put your hands in front of you. Put your hands in front of you, your arms aside. Make sure your legs are shoulder width apart. Now when you extend your back, your upper body will lift just a little bit, and your legs will lift 2 or 3 inches off the ground. Now range of motion, it depends on you, so make sure you do this exercise steady and with good form. I'm going to show you 3 times on how to do the exercise that way. Another way to do back extensions is put your hands by your chest. Make sure again your legs are shoulder width apart or closer. It's the same motion, it's the more comfortable way of doing it. It's kind of like you in push-up formation. I'm going to show you the second way of doing back extensions 3 times as well. And that's the end of the video. Just remember when doing back extensions that you are steady and using good form. Now if you have severe back pain, make sure you ask your doctor before trying out this exercise. And if you enjoy the video, please show your support by subscribing and following These Muscles on Instagram @TheseMuscles. And These